I used a 3/4 inch brush and global 1-stroke color splash. I painted across both eye sockets. I now get a sponge with the same color and place under the eye to the side, sponging onto my forehead on both sides of my face in a dabbing motion to blend. My dagger brush next to paint a big circle above my eyebrow to form the rabbit's body. Now I paint 2 little bunny paws on the eyebrow and 2 ears. On the opposite side of the bunny, on the side of my face with my round global brush, I painted some branches of the cherry blossom tree. Now in the center of my forehead I paint some teardrops. I'm using my round brush double dipped in pink and white to paint the cherry blossom on the branches of the tree. I also paint some white dots to create smaller cherry blossom. paint a fan shape with orange and black on the side of my right eye. I paint the pink on the ears of the rabbit. Now, using black paint, I paint the outline of the rabbit. I'm using Diamond FX Black. And now I paint white dots on the fan and down the nose. I put some festival gold dust glitter over my cheeks for a shiny glow. Now I paint my lips with orange and I paint a black stripe down the center. I'm now applying Vaseline to my cheek for some chunky rose gold glitter. Now I paint a couple of stars on my forehead and cheek. There you go, a beautiful face paint celebration. Happy Lunar New Year's!